Welcome to Inner Command. Today we are talking about something very special. It is called self-love. Many people forget to love themselves. They are busy and they are tired. They think about work and they think about other people. But they forget the most important person in their life. That person is you. If you want to be strong, you must love yourself first. You cannot give love to others if your own heart is empty. Today, I will give you 5 golden words. They are very easy to follow and they will change your mind. The first word is kindness. This means you should be nice to yourself every single day. Think about how you talk to a small child or a good friend. You are gentle and you use sweet words. But when you make a mistake, you become angry with yourself. This is wrong. You must stop the loud and mean voice in your head. Instead, say it is okay, I am learning and I will try again. Just like you are nice to your friends, you must be nice to your own heart. This kindness makes you feel calm. When you're calm, you can make better decisions. Kindness is the start of all success. The second word is respect. You are a good person and you have great value. Do not let others say bad things to you. If someone is mean, you must walk away. When you respect yourself, you feel strong inside. You know that you are important. Always treat yourself with honor. Do not settle for less than you deserve. Respect your time and respect your energy. If a task makes you feel sad or small, you have the power to say no. Saying no to others is sometimes saying yes to yourself. This is the secret of inner command. The third word is forgive. We all make mistakes because we are human. Do not carry old mistakes in your mind like a heavy bag of stones. This bag will make you tired and slow. Let them go. The past is finished and you cannot change it. But you can change your today. When you forgive yourself, your mind becomes light and free. You can walk into the future with a smile and a fresh heart. Forgiveness is not for the weak. It is for the strong people who want to grow. The fourth word is health. Your body is the home for your soul. You must take care of your home. Eat good food that gives you energy. Drink plenty of water and sleep well at night. When your body is healthy, your mind is also happy and sharp. Taking care of your body is a big part of self-love. If you ignore your health, you cannot help anyone else. Treat your body like a gift. Move every day and breathe the fresh air. A strong body builds a strong mind. The fifth word is believe. You must believe in your dreams even when they seem far away. Do not listen to the people who say you cannot do it. Even if things are hard right now, do not give up. Tell yourself every morning, I can do this and I am capable. When you believe in yourself, the whole world starts to believe in you too. Your belief is like a light that shows you the way in the dark. Remember that self-love is the key to inner command. When you master your own feelings, you master your life. It is not a one-day job. It is a journey. Keep practicing these 5 words every day. Talk to yourself with love and walk with confidence. You will see that you have more energy and more peace than ever before. You deserve a happy and successful life because you are unique and special. Start loving yourself today and watch how the world changes for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.